And then, of course, after you offer that something that they want in your ad, or in your email that you send out, a solo mail or etc., and they say, yeah, I'm interested in that, they click the link, then you have to actually ask for their email address, right? And of course, normally we usually ask for people's email addresses using what we would call a lead capture page or a landing page. So let's take a look at an example of a landing page right here. Hopefully that's big enough for you to see on your screen. A perfect landing page has very limited number of elements, and you can see them here in this example. It's very simple because a landing page shouldn't give them a lot of options. You want them to do something in particular, which is click that button and opt in for your list. So you don't want this page to have your website navigation up at the top that shows them all the things they can get on your website, because some people will be distracted. They'll go do that and then they don't get the lead magnet. So lead magnet, you want to be super focused. And typically, if you're a business and you have a logo, then you might have your branding or your logo on there, like you see the super fit business part here, up here at the top. Over next to the logo here, you've got the main benefit headline. What is the main benefit they're going to get from this lead magnet you're offering for them? So in this example, this is somebody who helps people who are personal trainers, fitness trainers, keep their clients longer and keep them from quitting. The main benefit, get more clients, keep them longer. That's the benefit. Then down underneath, you can see we've included an image of the lead magnet. It's good for them to see what it is that they're going to get. Plus the picture helps to draw their eye to the page as a whole and give it good visual display. And then this next section of text over on the right of the picture that you see, you've got free cheat sheet download. So you're telling them, you're reiterating, this is free. This is something free you're going to get to download. And then you have the name of your lead magnet, which is kind of like your title. So in this case, it's 5 simple and easy to implement retention strategies to keep your fitness clients longer. Notice the focus. First of all, it's a number. Numbers are always good in these kind of things. People find numbered lists more compelling. The other thing you notice, little trick most people don't know about, it's an odd number. Studies have found that odd numbered lists are more compelling than even numbered lists. So 5 is better than 6. And notice the ease of use, the focus on how simple and easy this is going to be. 5 simple and easy to implement. So this is not some complex thing that they're going to struggle with. You're making it sound like you really need to get this. It's going to be really easy for you to benefit. Retention strategies to keep your fitness clients longer. So that is the benefit again that they're going to get out of it, that you're focusing. Then you have the section underneath, the easiest way to build your fitness business by intentionally retaining your current clients. This cheat sheet will give you 5 of my best strategies I use to do just that. So again, more benefit and support of what they're going to get for opting this in. Also notice they've used this cheat sheet terminology. When you think about a report versus a cheat sheet sounds faster and easier to consume and implement. It's like, just give me the facts. I don't want to read all the fluff in your report. Just give me the facts. Put it in a cheat sheet. Then, of course, you have the download button. So in this case, it's yellow, but sometimes you see orange ones and etc. The color is not as important as just the fact that it stands out. And it's not as important as all the other elements of this page. By this point, the person should be sold, and you just want to make it easy for them to identify where the download button is. Some people use green, some people use orange, some people use red, yellow, and it tells them what's going to happen. Download now. Again, it sounds easy. Now, this is going to happen right now. Of course, we know it's not. And then, of course, there's a text link underneath, which also is just another call to action. And then at the bottom, you generally have your footer information like your copyright and legal disclaimers and all that kind of stuff. So these are the elements of a perfect landing page to get somebody to join your email list. Now, once they click that download now button, they actually get the opportunity to give you the email. So this is going to pop up over the top of the page. And these are some of the elements that you typically see on a good lead capture pop-up. So when they click that download now button, they're finding out, oh, wait, it's not right there. I got to give them my email address. This is what we call a two-step opt-in process. It doesn't show the form with their email address on the main page. They have to click the download now button, and then they see that they have to give the email address. And the reason for putting it in 2 steps instead of 1 is a concept called micro commitments. When somebody has taken even a small action towards an end result, it's much more likely they'll go all the way through. If they saw on the original page the form where they put in their email address, they might go, oh, I got to give them my email address. I don't want it that badly, and leave. However, once they click that download button, at that point, they're not really sure whether they're going to have to give their email address or not. They click the download button, and then the pop-up comes up and says, stop, you got to give me your email address. And now they're going to be more likely to take the next action of filling in the email address because they already took the previous action of clicking the button. In very rare cases, does a double opt-in form like this not outperform a single opt-in form for conversion. And then this form has some standard things. It's got the picture again, because you want to reinforce what it is they're going to get if they take this step. You see, it's got the progress bar at the top that shows you're 50% complete. So people feel, oh, I'm already part of the way there. It's not that much. I just got to do a little bit more. There's not 6 more steps. Obviously, I'm halfway there. You're almost there. Please tell us where to send your cheat sheet. And then again, the name of the email magnet, the 5 retention strategies cheat sheet. Enter your email, tell them what to do. And then the field here that has the default value in it that says enter your email so they know what to do. And again, the button with download my free cheat sheet now. So again, it's a definite call to action. And of course, a privacy policy so that people will see that. You give me your email address, I'm not going to spam you. This is the ideal. So people put in their email here, they fill in this form, they click that button, and then of course, what are you going to do? You're going to give them what they signed up for. And that's the process of building the audience in the first place. Typically, we don't give them what they signed up for on the actual page they get after they submit that button. We make them go to their email and get it. And that's just a way to make sure that people aren't cheating the system and putting invalid emails in just so they can get to the final result. If we were taking them to go to an offer to buy, which was an upgrade from the free version, then you might take them straight to that page, give them the content, and have a button there where they can then take the next step. Like if you want them to keep flowing, then you might take them to the page. So for example, for the affiliate site for Quick Start Coach, we do that on those. So once somebody opts in to get the free training video, we take them to the video. And the reason that we take them to the video is because underneath the video is a button that goes to the sales page for them to buy. And ultimately, our goal with that funnel is to get them to buy. So I don't want to put any barriers between them getting to the sales page. I want to send them a step closer there. So it's a choice depending on how you structure your funnel. But once they have opted in, now you give it to them. Usually via sending them an email, which would have a link in it that would then come back to your site to a page that has the download on it. You can also attach the download as an attachment to the email if you want to make it easier for them to download it and start putting it to use. There's a variety of options, and the only way to know what works best for your funnel is to test it. You give them what they signed up for. Now they're on your list.